Ever wished you could access your calculator with just a tap from your home screen on your Xiaomi phone? Look no further. In today's tutorial, I'll show how you can add a calculator widget to your home screen display in just a few easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Make sure you have enough empty area to add a widget on the display. Long press on the home screen until the option appears. Then tap on widget or a similar option. After that, scroll through the available widgets. Now look for the calculator section, then choose any style and tap on that widget. You can drag and drop the widget to your preferred location on the home screen. And that's it. You've now got a handy calculator widget right on your home screen so you can access it easily without searching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.